Hello students, welcome back to KVR Academy online study channel. Myself Ramasys Maurya, your chemistry teacher. In previous video, we discussed about pH scale and various uses of pH in our daily life. In this video, we are going to discuss about salts. So, as we know earlier that the neutralization reactions between acids and base results in the formation of salts. Salts are basically ionic compounds made up of positively charged ion, which is known as cations, and negatively charged ion, which is known as anions. In solid state, they are held together by the electrostatic force of attraction. But when salts are dissolved in water or any aqueous solution, they readily decompose in their ions. Salts are also acidic, basic or neutral in nature. We can test it by pH scale. The salts of strong acid and strong bases are neutral and having pH value of 7. The salts of strong acid and weak base are acidic in nature and they have the pH value less than 7 because acid is strong and base is weak, so they are acidic in nature. The salts of strong base and weak acids are known as basic, or they have basic in nature. Their pH value will be more than 7. Today we will also know the various uses of common salt. So, chemicals from common salt. As you know that the seawater is rich source of common salt. You can see water beds near the sea and there common salt is prepared. Common salt is brown in color due to the presence of impurities, but after purification it looks white. Today we are going to discuss the uses of common salt. So common salt is used in making washing soda, baking soda, sodium hydroxide. This is also used in leather industry for tanning. Salt is main component in our foods. So how salt is used to prepare many chemicals, that we are going to discuss. First, to prepare sodium hydroxide. This is also known as caustic soda. And formula is NaOH. When we pass electric current in the aqueous solution of common salt, it forms sodium hydroxide. The chemical equation: 2NaCl, this is common salt in aqueous solution, plus CH2O. Here electricity it forms sodium hydroxide, NaOH, plus chlorine plus hydrogen gas. See here, common salt, this is sodium chloride dissolved in water, so it is aqueous. When we pass electricity, it decomposes to sodium hydroxide, chlorine and hydrogen gas. We can balance this equation. This is balance equation. So you see here that how sodium hydroxide is formed by using the sodium chloride or common salt. Uses of caustic soda or sodium hydroxide. It is used in the manufacturing of soaps, detergents, paper, rayon, etc. In cotton industry, to make unshrinkable fibers. The fiber which do not shrink is unshrinkable. In the refining of petroleum and vegetable oils. After that, washing soda. Washing soda can also be formed by using common salt. So washing soda, Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. Washing soda can be formed by using sodium chloride or common salt. It can also be formed by heating baking soda. After recrystallization of soda ash or sodium carbonate Na2CO3, we get washing soda. So NaHCO3, this is baking soda. Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. When we heat sodium bicarbonate or baking soda, this soda we eat, so we get sodium carbonate Na2CO3 plus H2O plus CO2. When we recrystallize the sodium carbonate Na2CO3, plus 10H2O, so we get Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. This is crystallization of sodium carbonate with water, so we get sodium carbonate dot 10H2O. This is washing soda. Uses of washing soda. It is used in the removal of hardness of water. It is used in paper and glass industry. It is used in the preparation of many sodium compounds. It is a very useful laboratory reagents. So today we learn about how to prepare sodium hydroxide and washing soda. In next video we will learn some more chemicals from common salt. So that's all for today. Thank you.